Servus, I'm back. It is now 6 months since I have uploaded my last video and first video here on the channel. You can check it out if you want, but it is not needed. What I will do here on this channel is to bring you an insight of the software development industry, my experience, and also my experience with studies, because I am in the situation to finish my computer science degree in the next couple of months. I hope so. And so I have a little bit of insight of 9 years as a software developer in a company and over 10 years now in the industry itself with support and different other things. And also I have this kind of thing that I went to the university later. I was over 30 now. When I started earlier but didn't finish with nearly 30, and now I went back the last 2 years and hope so that I can finish this in the next couple of months. And this is also a thing I will talk here on this channel, because maybe it is your interest too to go to the university in a later age, or maybe you are 20 and you are not sure if you want to study or not in this field. And I hope I can bring you some insights from the study of computer science and also my experience in the industry at my job that can help you to decide if you want to study or you have other ideas or solutions if you can get into the industry. As I has already mentioned in the first video, I am not a native speaker. I think you have already heard that in the last 2 minutes. So I am Austrian, my mother tongue is German, but I will also work on my English, and this is also a reason for this channel. And why? Because in the last 9-10 years in the industry of software development, I worked only for a German-speaking customer, and so everything was in German. I have a lot of other things that we work on in English, yes, but I don't speak this often in English, and this is a reason for me why I have started this channel. I want to speak and to speak more English and to get better on it. So if I will do a lot of mistakes here, and it is okay if you mention this in your comments so I can learn from you. Thank you for that from my side. So what you will find here on this channel will be a little bit of insight from my perspective in the industry of software development as a person who came originally from the electrotechnician side and went later to specifically software development and computer science, and also from a person who studied computer science and has different points of view now on what worked from the study, what was it really helpful for finding a job or for my job I already do. And this is maybe a point where you will find something for you. Then maybe you are also in the situation you are 30 or over 30 as I am and consider to go to university or University of Applied Sciences to study some kind of computer science, but you are not sure about it. And this is what I will cover here a little bit on this channel with my experience and my ideas. Maybe this is a little bit different from what you have seen or heard from other channels. Then most of them are from the US, and what I can say, I have consumed myself a lot of this content before I went my own way into university, and I have found there are a lot of differences here in Austria, where I'm located, and other countries in Europe and also the US, and I have not found a single channel who covers this topic specifically in the computer science area for people who want to study in Europe. And this is also a reason why I do this channel in English. One is to work on my English speaking skills and also to bring you information about the studies in Europe or in Austria, Germany, or other, in general, German-speaking countries, because it is maybe not this easy for you when you're not speaking German at all to find this information. And what I also will bring to you is my personal projects. Because I work on different things now, I have now more time. We had done several software projects in university because I went to a University of Applied Science, and so we had a lot of practice projects and not so much theory. What was, I think personally, is a great idea to go this way, to learn computer science and programming, especially if you want to go into software engineering and programming. And so I will share these projects with you. One of them is a little project I have done in university and worked now on it on my own. This is a little GameTracker app, considered by the idea that what I have already mentioned in my first video. The channel is a little bit also about wargaming, tabletop wargaming, board games and such things. And what I have done here is an Android app, a simple app. You can add a game system. For example, I have here Infinity the Game and Warhammer 40k as tabletop miniature games, and you can see here on the top the total games you have played, and on the other side how many of them you have won, you have lost, or you played in a draw. And in the middle is a little bit of a symbol for you, a trophy, so you can see, are you on the winning side more or maybe more on the losing side, and so you have to work on your skills more to win more games. Also, you can here, when you click on this, add a new game for the system you have played, and it is a very easy app at the moment, but I need tester to help me to bring this app in the App Store, in the Google Play Store. One, mostly for the reason I want to work on the flow. How is it possible to develop your own app and also deploy it in the Google Play Store? And for this, it is now needed to have some tester for the app. And so if you are interested in it, you will find in the video description an email address. There you can send me an email about the GameTracker app as the topic and your email address for the Google Play Store, so I can add you to the tester list. As I already said, this is a very simple app and I will work on it in the future, and whatever feedback you will bring me, I will consider it for new functionality in the app. And so I hope we can build this project to a larger app, and also I will work on different apps in the future, which I will also discuss with you here on this channel. So if you have any ideas or you have found some interesting things for you in the last 10 minutes here in this video, please consider to subscribe to this channel. It would help me out, it would help the algorithm to bring this video to more people, and I hope I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye.